information of members of public who are here, it's important that I also emphasize that many of you as members of public, as members of the bar, as members of the civil society, have shown interest in this screening exercise, and it was to be expected. I also know that part of the concern expressed when the names were rolled out was that there were members of public, there were some members of the civil society, even some members of some other political parties who had geopolitical interest. And some specifically said or wrote to us to wonder why out of the 8 names sent by Mr. President on the recommendation of NJC, 3 of them were from the northwestern part of the country, 2 from northeastern part, 1 from southwestern part, 2 from south-south. And based on this, they raised different concerns. Some said there was nobody from the southeast, and some said, why would 5 people come from the northern part of the country and only 3 from the south? As much as we could, we'll try to explain this, but I believe this is also the right forum or the right platform to convey the stand of our committee to the Nigerian public. Definitely, if there's any place in this country where you can say there is no arbitrariness in the manner of appointment, it's in the judiciary. By the end of this confirmation exercise, and by the time it would have been approved by the rest of our colleagues on the floor of the Senate, if we so recommend, we would be having 20 justices of the Supreme Court. As we speak, there are 12 justices of the Supreme Court. And what is being done today is more of filling vacancies that are existing. And it's consistent with our federal character principle, as well as the relevant provisions of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, as amended. For the avoidance of doubt, out of the 12 sitting justices of the Supreme Court as of today, 2 of them are from North Central geopolitical zone. 2 of them, including my Lord the CJN, are from Northeast. 1 of them from Northwest. 3 from Southeast. And then from the South-South, we have 1 justice. And from the Southwest, we have 3 justices of the Supreme Court as of today. And if they are not retired, it's a tenured appointment until they reach a certain age. The Constitution is very clear on this. If the people there don't retire, you cannot replace them. So, if you are saying we have 3 going to the Northwest, please remember that as of today, Northwest only has 1 justice sitting in the Supreme Court. And this confirmation will bring the number to 4. If you are wondering why Southwest has only 1, please remember that as of today, Southwest has 3 justices sitting on the Supreme Court. And this confirmation will bring the number to 4. And of course, like I said, Northeast, that's having 2 nominees today, currently has just 2 sitting. And upon confirmation, that will bring the number to 4. Southeast today presently has 3 sitting justices. And if they don't retire, you cannot replace them. Our laws are very clear on this. South-South, that is having 2 today, 2 nominees, currently has only 1. So I just wanted to quickly clarify this because it's important for the integrity of what we're doing and the integrity of our judiciary as the arbiter and as, like you said, as the bedrock of our democracy. We're doing this in furtherance of very clear provisions of the Constitution. It is the Constitution itself that is making all these appointments, the Constitution itself. And the Constitution has also defined those who can be a part of the process, the NJC, to do all the screening and ensure compliance with our Constitution. And after that, the Constitution did not even say NJC, once you are done, you are done. The Constitution insisted, take it to the executive arm of government so that Mr. President will be the one to make the appointment. And then the Constitution said, wait, Mr. President, before you even exercise this prerogative, you take it to the legislative arm of government. Let them have their input and be sure that there's substantial compliance with the Constitution. So this is an appointment being made by the Constitution itself. As far as we are concerned as a committee, everything is in order and is in compliance with our federal character principle, as well as the various settled provisions of our Constitution. And having said that, we can begin the screening. And because it's a screening, all my lord 8 nominees cannot sit together. We will do the screening in the order that the nominees were presented to the Senate by Mr. President. Let me once again announce that order. We will commence with my Lord Honorable Justice M. Lawal Garba, JCA. After that, we take Honorable Justice Helen M. Ogunwumiju, JCA, following which we take Honorable Justice Abdul Aboki, JCA, Honorable Justice I.M. Saulawa, JCA will follow, and after that, Honorable Justice Adamu Jaro, JCA, and then Honorable Justice Samuel C. Oseji, JCA, followed by Honorable Justice Tijani Abubakar, JCA, and finally, Honorable Justice Emmanuel A. Agin, JCA. It's a day with us in the Red Chamber, definitely. We'll take you one after the other, and after that, we'll have a closed door session with the 8 of you quickly. While my Lord Honorable Garba JCA remains seated, the rest of the 7 of you can proceed. My office is 30